I'm Jordan with the Chrome Dawgs, and today we're going to be showing you how to use the Google Docs citation tool.
Okay, so to use the citation tool in Google Docs, what you're going to want to do is go to Tools, and then you're going to click on Citations. Now this is going to open up this little sidebar where you can pick what kind of citation you want. We're going to stick with MLA, and then when you're inserting a citation, you're going to want to go ahead and add a citation source. So for this source, our source type is a book and it was in print. So then I'm just going to fill this out real quick and then we'll continue. Okay, so once you have all of the information you have on it filled out, you're going to go ahead and click Add Citation Source. Then it'll keep it over here off to the side, and when you want to cite it, just click the Cite button, and that will create in-text cite. And then you can plug in the page number, so let's say this was page 99, and there you have your in-text citation. Now, if you wanted to insert a bibliography at the very end, you can keep adding citation sources onto this little list, and Google will actually keep track of that. So then you can come down and click this button, Insert Bibliography, and it'll make a whole page of those citations that you've put into the system. I hope this helps you with writing your papers. Thank you so much.